They 4 dog. They done kicked us out of the hotel, man. We ain't got no hotel no more. They 4. It's a smooth 25 degrees today, chat. About to get this truck started so we can get going. Woo. Be back. God, it's a cold, cold morning. Jesus. Jeez. The steering wheel is cold. I'm freezing. I'm freezing. We got that kind of weather where it make black folks say shit. Ooh, it's cold, man. On the road again. Like the wheels falling off, bro. Something's happening, bro. Don't know what's going on. Goddamn Dodge. Fucking wheels falling off, bro.
Hey, man. What movie is that?
Waterboy. I watched that before I came here.
Yeah, man. This is more than a day four, man. Oh, shit.
Day 4.
She used to walk around with the fucking razor blade.
You driving slow right now. I want coffee. We didn't get no fucking coffee. We need coffee.
I got pineapple.
Need coffee, man. Coffee. Well, it's cold as hell. Yesterday wasn't too bad. It was 45 degrees yesterday morning, but today it was 25. So we got a new operator right now, just seeing how he does, and I think it's moving a little too slow, bub, but ain't my decision, you know? But we can see, all we can do is give him a chance, Mike.
I think today's gonna be a good day.
Yep.
It's gonna be a good day, boy. Today's gonna be a good day.
Feeling all right? No? No? Yeah? Hey, Sean?
Huh?
Hello?
What?
You feeling okay?
No, it's cold. We ain't doing nothing, barely moving. And it's still 26 and it's almost 10 o'clock and we haven't even done one load.
You ain't lying. Well, days don't always go perfect, but we're getting her done.
First load on the way to the dump, man.
To the dump, to the dump, to the dump, dump, dump.
I don't know if y'all can see that, man. I'm gonna look at that corner. First load, man. The morning ain't going how we planned, man. We hoping things get better. If I'm being 100 with y'all, man.
Yeah, things do need to get better. Moving too slow this morning. We gotta find the right guy to operate that skid steer again. We in business. Problem is, we got slow guys on the skid steers. We need a faster, more efficient guy to operate it. We operate it, we can reach our goals for the day. That's our only problem. That's the only problem right now, guys. One mistake that keeps being made is This can't keep happening. The man, the myth, the legend.
I just called you, and you don't know who this is?
You reading your text out loud?
Yeah, because Cousin Allison, right? She was like, when we call her, oh, y'all don't know who this is? You don't recognize this Houston number?
She did say that.
Mm-hmm.
She did say that.
And now I texted her from my phone, and she don't know who I am, chat.
Shame on you, auntie. Shame on you.
Hey, man, we're going to try to bring y'all some quality content. Y'all know we in this blue baby when you see that dang knife in the Bible.
The Bibli.
The Bibli. But, hey, man, our phone finna die.
Yes, and I'm trying to hold on to the wheel because we're flying right now. We're going about 85 miles an hour. And it's getting tough to control at this point, driving at such a high speed in a V6 Ram. But we're faster than Lamborghinis, Mustangs.
Why'd you say Mustangs? Why'd you say Mustangs twice?
Mustangs. You know, I'm going very fast right now. Only professionals should do this.
Hey, but no, y'all, honestly, we having problem after problem today, but that ain't gonna stop us from making this video for y'all, man, getting this content out to y'all, man. It's day 4, man. It's day 4. It ain't even lunchtime. We gotta have a turnaround. You know what I'm saying?
We need something. We need something.
You got $1?
I don't have a dollar. Let's go, boss man. Replacing another wall. You say you're gonna do what?
I'll be careful.
You won't take out another wall.
I won't take out another one. Not today.
Not-
The first thing he does is
Tomorrow might change. Yeah, tomorrow might change. Well, hopefully tomorrow I'll run.
he could be a driver.
Nah.
Wait, did you say do what?
He wants to hit me in my balls and keep things on the wall, but he should hit you in the walls.
That's my driver. And my editor. And everything else. You!
You're bad.
You're just my cousin.
Take down the handle the person who took down the walls then.
Nah, he's too big.
Do what Shatan's gonna do. Kick him in the knees and run away.
My dad truck.
I see him. I'm trying to stop quality content right here. Look at that big strong man. Hold on, y'all. Look at that strong man. What is he doing, Chad? What is he doing?
Who do we want? When do we want them? Who do we want? When do we want them? Wow!
Hey, all right. Zoom out. Go, 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 go.
We love you, man.
Come here, boy.
Come here, give us a hug. Come on. God dang. I'm calling HR. You know, I'm sick of being threatened. Here's some things that people need to learn. Don't do that. It's nasty. What are you doing? What are you doing? The sign says you can't.
Where in the hell you know of a gas station called Sprint? I've never heard that in my life.
Well, boy, we're down here in good old South Carolina.
I thought it was some sort of sailor device place or something like that.
No, man, we're down here in South Carolina.
South
where you can't
Kakalaki.
find things that you're looking for, but the things you're looking for are always looking for you.
Sir, do you have reasonable, probable cause to be pulling me over right now?
Boy, I think one of your tails
Boy.
might be out.
Boy.
That's what I said, boy.
Hey, that tail light works. What you talking about?
Hey, sir, license
You
registration.
need to go back there and fucking look.
License and registration.
I don't have
Get
nothing.
your
You know
ass
what?
out of the
No,
fucking
fuck.
car. Get your ass out
What the
of
fuck? Young people look when they turn. What do you say? Who, me?
All right, we gonna go.
All right. All right.
Look at the boss run.
Don't break a kneecap. I said don't break a kneecap. All right. Got both trucks out here now. So, I'm going to explain to you what happened. Because we had a delay. Wow. Look at that. Wow. 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 Wow.
Beautiful. Tell them to go for it.
Yeah, man. Make me want salsa out here. I can use some chips and salsa though.
Oh, man. You got too close to it.
Somebody said they know how not to get stuck.
I do know how not to get stuck, but I parked downhill. I mean, I parked uphill, and I should have parked downhill.
Isn't that something?
I didn't see your timer. I don't even know if you can pick it up. What you doing? You way too close.
The medulla oblongata.
Seen a booger in there.
Hey, bud.
It's good.
You got $1?
I wish.
You probably have more money than me right now. Everyone should at least have $1.
I ain't got shit.
Hey, boss.
You got $1.
You got $1.
I hope we
Let
ain't.
me get $250.
I hope we ain't got to pull you out.
I'll tell you that for $1.
All right, boss. You got a sender. There we go. Give it some more gas. Let's go. Okay. We still got some in the back. Holy shit.
Just hit the brake.
I'm gonna follow him. Come on. What's going on? Wow, he's fast. Wow.
Huh?
You still got stuck.
I didn't get stuck.
You got stuck.
Stuck means you can't get out.
No one asked
I
you.
could have got out. Like that, I would have just ran backwards as far as I could. Yes.
While we were at Walmart, or you Walmart, we still got cooler. It's some ice.
I left the cooler at home. Go get the diesel.
We don't need a cooler and ice. It's cold enough for everything to stay cold.
It's right, but next week is gonna
It's
be.
starting to heat up. I don't know if you guys realize. Let's head on down to the bayou.
My mama said. My mama said.
You alright? No, I guess he's alright. We'll be back. Oh, there it is.
Not bad.
Yeah, we got it on video. Don't worry about it.
Need a light?
Look at that strong man.
You got the hip thrust in it. You know I see everything you're doing, right? Especially when I'm looking at your shadow, it's just right there. Watching you. I seen that. You want to cut down and you think that... Huh?
Put it in reverse, Terry.
Well, things are picking up. We knew there was going to be a turnaround today, and the turnaround is coming. I think it's about almost 3 o'clock or somewhere around there. We're going to go check into our new room, because, you know, we got kicked out of our hotel this morning and stuff like that. So, let's see how the rest of the day go, you know what I'm saying? We finna go check in the load already. Things picking up. It's going good, goddamn. Just gotta drive this blue truck. Just gotta drive the blue truck. Ain't this house nice? It's a nice ass house. See when we get back. We got the blue truck, so hopefully we don't get stuck.
Where my ropes and totes and things? I'ma lock the thing up.
Sure
I
you
can't
ain't-
find my damn ropes.
Not in the back of the bed somewhere? Well, goddamn. Can't do nothing without no rope. Definitely need a rope. Can't open no door without no rope now. Lord have mercy, Jesus Christ. Ah,
Found my goddamn rope.
see what happens when you open your eyes?
You gonna tie that one up, or?
Come on here, Danny.
I appreciate you. You know.
We'll be back.
Might want to get the video from the other side.
Sometimes you gotta do shit manually. Last goddamn load. Last load. And the view. Ready to go home?
I'm ready to go the fuck home, bro. I'm motherfucker tired. I had to toss logs on that blue truck. I'm ready to go.
We don't like the blue truck. But hey, it is.
What it is.
That's
I would too.
old D-Max. Nothing like a D-Max.
What's a Vortex?
Oh, Vortex. Oh, snap.
Coming through the tree. This is the perfect shot, low-key. That's the perfect shot, bro.
Keep it going. Yes, sir.
U.S. built.
U.S. made, baby. Keep clear. It's the end of the day for us. So, oh, we lost the board. Well, end of the day for us. Last few trucks rolling in.
As y'all can see, some of these trees are taller than me.
So, I'm gonna go ahead and get back up in here. Head on back to the site. See y'all when we get back. Going home. End of the day.
Kids playing, dogs barking.
I'm hungry. I want something to eat.
Whatever life throws at you, man, just take it one day at a time.
About to go to our new room.
Jeez.
Finally, boy. Hard day work, goddamn. Hard day work. Let me get all this shit unloaded. We'll see y'all again. Made it to the new room. Oh, this looks a lot better. Nice. Got us a view here. Cool. I like it. That's interesting.
Pretty smart.
Go down here and pick up some more shit.
She posted it, so you gotta respect it, you know?
Facts. We'll be back. Hey, buddy.
I appreciate it.
You ready?
Hey, man. Look, guys, it's been a long day. But don't forget to like.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and guess what, chat? We're not homeless no more.
What y'all think, Chad? You think that intro was kind of whack? You think? Oh shit! Yeah, you're right. You think that outro is kind of whack? You think he should do how he normally does? The more exciting.
What you doing? Why you over there? I usually get the one by the vent.
You want the one by the vent? You can have the one by the vent.
Can I have the one by the vent?
You can have the one by the vent. Oh wow, pretty nice sky. To end the day.
Hey y'all, this is the end of day 4, man. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man. Make sure that notification button is on, man. Hey man, we love y'all, man. I told y'all, if y'all watching, we gonna keep posting.
The shit show. Yee yee.